You know na Mommy and Daddy's dream is to have a big family.
Totoo? Magiging daddy na ako?
Giging kuya na ako!
I'm sorry, but you're not pregnant.
Pero Doc, nagkaanak na ako.
Hindi ho kayo ang may problema, Mrs.
May options ba?
Yes, we do have an option. At yon ay ang maghanap ng mas magaling na doktor kaysa dito.
Nagluluksa din ako! Bakit mo ako ginaganito?
Inaamin ko, nagiging mahina ako. Pero Pam, sa akin, sex lang yun.
Kevin, minsan, hindi kita tinanggihan sa kama.
Giwalay po ba kayo?
Open na yung application for a photography workshop sa Switzerland. Baka gusto mo pumunta.
Sumama ka sa akin sa Switzerland. This could be our second honeymoon, a new beginning for the both of us.
Busog tayo sa pasyal. Ano pang kulang?
Adventure. Medyo wild.
Even I was a little bit hesitant the first time I went there. There are no sex workers, only couples. You can explore your sensuality with your partner, or, if you like, with someone else.
I'm Simon.
Do you think you already know everything about your pleasure?
Can teach you.
When you can explore your desires like that, it will have a positive effect on you and Kevin.
Sino ba nagturo sa'yo?
We just don't get attached to our affairs.
Baka lang may love ka sa kanya.
Hi.
Hey.
I call that a relationship, Pam.
Ano, magkasama na naman kayo?
Di ba ikaw yung may gusto nitong open marriage na to?
Alam na mahal kita. Natatakot akong mawala ka sa akin.
That's the price you pay in an open relationship.